Once created, PM master records can generate recurring preventive maintenance work orders. To generate, start by selecting the Generate PM button in the toolbar. The Generate PM work orders window will appear. Two generation methods exist. Generate only the selected PMs generates from every PM selected before the window appeared, while Process All PMs and Generate Those That Are Due generates from all PMs with a next create date on or before the current date. Select the generation method, and then select the Generate WO button. Each included PM will now display its generated work order as its current work order. For floating PMs, having a current work order means that it cannot generate more work orders until after the current one is closed. The current work orders will now also appear in the work orders module, awaiting completion and closure.